Hi everyone, welcome back. This is episode number 3 of the Lomdei Learning Platform tutorial videos. Today I'm going to show you, in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an end time or schedule a due date for your students' assignments. Okay, so this is right here in the assignment that we just assigned to our students. I'm going to actually go out and just show you what it looks like from here. So this is a list of all of our current assignments that are active. So these are showing currently in the student's account and they can work on them. Now, all I have to do to set a due date is select one of these assignments. So let's say I go to Chumash translations here, okay? And I see that it's active. Okay, so now if I want to make sure that it has a due date, you don't have to give a due date, but if you want to give a due date, that means that the assignment will cease to show in the student's account. I click on here, the active button, top right corner. And now I have two options here. I can send it back to planned. I can make it a planned assignment again. I wouldn't do this, after the students have started to work on it, but then you also have the option to schedule an end time, which is this button right here. Okay. And I'm going to click on schedule and end time. And like we saw in the other video, there's a calendar. So you choose an end date. So I'm going to choose, let's say, Tuesday the 29th. And then I'm going to set a time, 8:30 a.m. And all I have to do is, again, click on the save button on the bottom. If you don't want to save it, you can press cancel and then you can do it again. And I'm going to click save. And now this is scheduled to end, this assignment, on November 29th at 8:30 a.m. So at this date and time, the students will no longer see this assignment in their account. So it's a way to keep, obviously, to have a due date on your assignments if you want them to have a due date. And it's a way to keep their accounts clean so they don't get overwhelmed with assignments. Okay, so that is the end of this video on how to schedule an end date or an end time for a due date for your assignments to your students. Stay tuned for other episodes of the Lomdei tutorial series to learn more about different functionality and different features on the new Lomdei Learning Platform.